下一周过来中国是吧？
Yes, next week I will be in China, arriving Tuesday 22nd in the morning. I normally arrive quite early in the morning.
早上
Because
到。
my plane will land at about 6 o'clock in Hong Kong. Then I will take 7-seater to Shakao. And from there I take a taxi to Baudilai Fuyong.
OK， 你这个早上到挺好的，正好睡一觉，早上就到中国这边。
Yeah, I will make sure I get a good night's sleep. But in the plane, when flying in, it's more difficult because for us, flying in is a day flight. I'm not very good in sleeping in the day, so I just nap a bit, I watch the movie, and arrive at... Actually, I just skip the night.
是的。
And then...
OK， 拜拜。
Bye-bye, take care.
好，那我们这样跟老外结束完通话，那准确率还是可以的啊，响应速度也是可以的。AI 翻译机。